Hello and welcome back to Fix It Fool's Garage. I'm Evan, and today we're going to be giving this truck's paint the shine it deserves. Now, this right here is the truck's ugly side. This side has been sandblasted and abused pretty much all of its life. I know a while back when my dad was driving this as a kid, there was an accident right here. This rear bed side right here is all bondoed up and it's starting to crack. But I'm not going to do too much about that because we're not trying to repaint the whole truck. I'm just going to scuff it slightly and see if maybe I can make it look okay. Then after that, we're gonna hit it with the secret sauce, Patina. But first, I wanna give this truck a nice good go over with a nice wet sand, some Scotch-Brite, maybe some 400 grit sandpaper. Let's hop into a time lapse so you guys don't have to watch all the sanding. If what it looks like wet is what it looks like with some Patina on, I'll be happy. Now, if any of you were ever curious what the actual Fix It Fool's garage looked like, the answer to your question is a mess. First, we gotta go ahead and wipe all over this the wax and grease remover from Patina. So, let's get to it. Now that we got the car all wiped down with the wax and grease remover, it's time to actually mix our paint. But real quick, I just wanted to share with you why I wanted to try Poppy's Patina. Now this isn't a sponsored video, but my grandpa died a couple years ago, and I used to call him Poppy. Now, if he saw what I was doing nowadays, he'd be thrilled because he built race cars and all types of stuff. He set the land world speed record with his dad, so he'd be thrilled to see what I'm doing nowadays. But I just wanted to test this because if my grandpa made something like this, I know it would work. So I'd like to see if this works for my grandpa. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. So it's finally time to see if my dad's gonna kill me or not. It's not bad, but no. It actually looks really good in my opinion, but we'll see what he thinks, and we'll see if he thinks we need to do a second coat. So I'm gonna get him into position so he can't see it, and we'll roll it out of the garage.
Wow, it's shiny.
But do you think it's a little glossier than I thought? This is half matte, half not matte. Pretty good?
Yeah.
Looks pretty okay. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Today, I just wanted to see if we could get a good finish with Poppy's Patina clear coat. And although there are some streaks just on this bedside right here, I think it came out pretty good. So let me know what you guys think I could have done better down in the comments below. And our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the start of August. So if you guys could do me a huge favor and go down there and like and subscribe, comment, go crazy. Comment what you think about this build, comment your build, whatever. But thank you guys all for watching here on Fix It Fool's Garage. I think I'm gonna have some fun in this truck, and that's Evan out.